Welcome to the Selftax YouTube channel. If you're an expat, business owner, or landlord, this channel is for you. We simplify tax rules, deadlines, and updates so you can stay compliant without the stress. Subscribe and stay informed. Log in your Selftax account using your email address and password. If you do not have an account with Selftax, you can click Start for Free button. Choose MTD ITSA and then choose your relevant plan. Enter your email address and password, click the capture box. A link will be sent to your email which you need to verify, and then you're able to log in. Once you're logged in, choose MTD Self Assessment and the relevant tax year, then click Save Next. Click button Add New Client if you're an individual or an agent. If you are an agent, your client list will be displayed here, and you can easily add new clients using the Add Client tab. If you are an individual user, your personal details will be shown instead. You can review and update your information if needed. Fill your individual details or client details in case of an agent and click Continue. Your information will be displayed here which you have completed in previous step. You can view update details anytime or click Continue. When you click Continue, you'll be prompted to grant our software the authority to give Selftax secure access to retrieve your obligations and business information directly from HMRC. Click Continue. After granting authority, you will be taken to a page displaying the list of self-employment or property businesses registered with HMRC. Click View to review the business details, including the period type, accounting type, and accounting period, or click Continue. Now you'll see your quarterly obligations list retrieved directly from HMRC. Start from your first quarter and click File. Choose Consolidated if you entered all your expenses in one box on the template as other allowable expense, or non-consolidated if you reported each expense separately in the relevant box. To complete your quarterly updates, you need to download your relevant templates. We support Excel 2010 or above and doesn't support 2007. After you download your relevant template, you can now enter your income and you can enter your expense figures. You can also copy-paste the data directly from your bookkeeping file by putting and then click relevant box in your bookkeeping file and press Enter. You can repeat the same process if you're filing both self-employment and rental income. After completing the template, please come back in the software and click Browse and Import New Excel File button and wait for few seconds to allow the software to upload the file, and then click Continue. When your template will upload successfully, you'll see the same figures you entered in the template in summary form. Please double-check the figures. You can click Download Report before you hit Submit button. If everything is complete, you can then click the check box below and click Submit. Once all for quarterly submissions are complete, you can proceed to the Final Declaration tab to submit your annual return. Before you complete the final declaration, you may only, if necessary, use the Annual Adjustments tab to make corrections to your figures or use other annual items to update any allowances or deductions for the year. This step is optional and only required if you need to make changes before final declaration. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your Making Tax Digital for Income Tax Self-Assessment (MTD ITSA) submission. A confirmation email will be sent to you by Selftax once HMRC has accepted your submission. Getting started is easy. There are no registration fees, monthly subscriptions, or hidden costs. You can explore and test the software at no charge before filing. When you're ready to submit, quarterly updates and final declarations can be filed for only £1.5 per submission. Alternatively, you can choose our annual package for just £7.5 total, providing a cost-effective way to manage all your quarterly submissions and annual filing requirements throughout the year. If you need help at any stage, Our support team is available via online chat from Monday to Friday during UK business hours and will be happy to assist with any software-related questions. Selftax makes MTD ITSA compliance straightforward, efficient, and affordable, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Selftax for clear, practical UK tax guidance. Stay informed, stay compliant, and stay one step ahead of HMRC.